Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you family soup ogbono. So guys can see all the items. Here is stockfish, dry fish and cow skin. Already wash it, cut it and prepare it down. Here is ogbono. Here is crayfish, stock cube and salt. Here I have blended fresh pepper and my red oil. So let's start. Already put the stock on the fire. So guys can see stock on the fire. Always use stock to prepare your soup. So I'll now put all the rich inside. Now season it with stock and salt. So this is not the time I'll put crayfish. I'll allow it to done before I'll put in crayfish. Then I'll put pepper. This is family soup ogbono soup. It's family soup. You can see the soup very plenty because it's for family. So I'll cover it and leave it like 15 minutes. Allow all the ingredients to done before I'll put crayfish and the ogbono. So guys, let's melt the ogbono inside the oil. When our stock is on the fire cooking, you melt the ogbono. So when you melt it like this and you put it inside the stock, the thing will melt well. But if you didn't melt it with oil, you put it inside the stock like that, you see how the thing will be lumps. You will not like to eat the soup. So that's why I'm melting it before putting it inside the soup. There are one thing that is missing here called okpetheresaaanya. So when that okpetheresaaanya enter, the soup will taste very yummy. But although I don't have the okpetheresaaanya now, but still the soup will taste yummy because I'll put a lot of crayfish and some other things inside. So melt the ogbono. When our stock is on the fire cooking, the stock that I use cook goat meat. So I didn't put ugu leaf. I didn't show ugu leaf because the soup is not one day soup. I'll prepare it and keep it in the fridge. So anytime we want to eat, I'll fetch it small, put the ugu leaf inside. I'll put the leaf inside. So I will not put the leaf inside the whole pot of soup because the ugu will change color. So when you want to eat, you fetch small, you add ugu leaf. The thing will be very fresh. So that's why I didn't add ugu leaf for now. Wow! So guys can see, it's time now to put the ogbono. This is the ogbono I melt. Now to put it inside. Just as I say, if you are doing it, don't put ugu leaf now because you will not finish the soup one day. So when you want to eat, you can fetch some inside and add your leaf so that the leaf will be very fresh. You allow it to boil like 10 minutes. Then I'll off the light. This is my goat meat that I use the stock to cook. So anytime I don't want to put the meat inside the soup because the thing will melt. And anytime I want to fetch the soup, the goat meat will scatter. So the only thing I will do, I'll put it in the fridge, side liner or container inside fridge. Anytime I want to eat the soup, I will fetch Sorry, NEPA just took light. I'll just fish small of ogbono, add my fresh leaf and pick some goat meat and make my swallow and eat with my family. So let's leave the ogbono for fire to done like 10 minutes. Wow, you can see it's set now. So, and this is the meat. See the plastic I put, I'll cover it and put the fridge. So anytime I want to use it, I'll just pick like 2, 3 or 4 and put inside the soup and put fresh leaf. Then make swallow with me and my family. Sit and eat. So that is all for family soup ogbono. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, comment for it, share it to a loved one. See you in my next video. And if you love this video, please thumbs up the video and subscribe, comment, share it. We meet again. Bye.